latest news headlines from Newfound News.
It is Thursday, January 29th, and our top news story. Resource enforcement officers are investigating a suspected moose poaching incident near the town of Heart's Delight, Islington in Trinity Bay on or about January 6th. Officers discovered the fresh remains of a male calf moose in the area. Fresh all-terrain vehicle tracks were also identified at the scene. The moose is believed to have been removed from the area by 2 ATVs and a trailer. Anyone with information is asked to contact Resource Enforcement Division. In other news, Badger is under a state of emergency today due to rising water levels in the town. There is a flood warning in effect. No evacuation orders are in place at this time. And finally, the provincial government has opened applications for the 2026 vegetable transplant program. Applications are being accepted from commercial vegetable producers until February 16, 2026. The program provides eligible farmers with access to high-quality, low-cost vegetable seedlings. Earlier access to transplants supports earlier harvests across the province. Your weather forecast is coming up right after this.
Now, your provincial weather forecast for Newfoundland and Labrador.
We'll take a look right now at your weather forecast, and the weather across Newfoundland and Labrador today is going to be cold and unsettled for a few spots as well. This morning there is a yellow blowing snow advisory in effect for Hopedale and for Postville to Makkovik on the Labrador coast. The forecast across Newfoundland now for today. Starting our weather story in the east, we are looking at a mix of sun and cloud in St. John's and a high today of -4, holding on to those gusty winds. For the south coast, west coast today, we are looking at flurries with the risk of some snow squalls along the south coast. Central Newfoundland today, we are looking at a mix of sun and cloud with a chance of some flurries. Taking a look now at the forecast for Labrador today, we are looking at a chance of flurries for Goose Bay, Nain, and for Churchill Falls, and in Labrador City we will see some steadier snow. The forecast now across the province overnight tonight, St. John's will get down to a low tonight of -7, and we are looking at mostly overcast conditions with a few clear breaks. A chance of flurries tonight for Gander and Grand Falls, and a similar story tonight for portions of the south coast and the west coast. We are looking at flurries, or at least a risk of flurries depending on where you are, and there is a chance of some snow squalls, and we are looking at some steadier snow tonight in St. Anthony. And then as we take a look at Labrador tonight, we are looking at some flurries in Happy Valley Goose Bay, a chance of flurries for Nain and Churchill Falls, and it will be fairly overcast in Labrador City. That's a look at your weather forecast to now.